Well, it's Sunday again. Haven't uploaded this video yet, but I haven't had a lot of time. Homework, school, and all the rest. But I'm gonna try to get something in so that you can still watch some videos, because my upload schedule is uploading on Sunday, which obviously I haven't done yet, because I'm filming this right now on Sunday. Yeah. This right here is the handle for a saw I got. It was in pretty bad quality. I had to restore some of it, but I haven't finished. And I don't have a very good saw. It's a good saw, but it does very fine cutting. It doesn't cut very fast. It cuts really slowly. So it takes me hours to cut something. So what I'm going to try to do is get this restored. Yeah, there's the whole image. And next I'll show the blade. So here's the blade. It's fairly small teeth. Not that small, but they're small. And as you can see here, those gaps, they're not intentional. It's actually missing teeth. So I hope that doesn't change how well this saw works. It probably will, but I hope it doesn't do it by a noticeable amount. So I'm gonna get to restoring this thing. This thing? Ah. Well, this is what we're gonna be using again today. And there goes the battery. Falls out first. First one. Put it back in. Keep going. Okay, so what happened was the thing was shaking so much that the battery came out. So I'll have to hold aside, but it's fine. Song up next. This is Stringfest by my friend Dalcolm 4444. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab a strip of sandpaper and clean up the inside right there. 400 grit. Oh, turns out that sandpaper's too weak. I'm gonna use a drum sander on a Dremel. Might be too strong, but yeah. Quicker I get this done, quicker I can move on to other things. We're finally to this point in the process. So, it's all sanded up. Took me 12 hours. Not a day, 12 hours. As in, I've been working on this for 12 hours. So now we're gonna put some mineral oil on it to finish it off. Okay. Daddy. Okay, look at the color. Now, is that not just the most satisfying thing you've ever seen? So I finished cleaning the saw, and I took off the tape protecting the teeth. Although look at that tooth. It's a pretty weird tooth. So now what I'll do is I'm gonna put it all back together. But first, I gotta clean the bits that will be attaching everything together. So, okay, screw, lever, and a couple washers. Let's get to cleaning. Okay, so this has some rust on it, but I think that's good enough. So I'll move on to the rest of them. This one looks nice as well. This is steel. This one is brass. What I'm gonna try to do with this one is just get it shinier. The time has finally come. Blade, handle. It is now time to put this together. There we go. There we go. Now, into here, screw, this thing, not sure what it's called, and we attach, oh wait, no, washer. Jesus, I've become stupid. Okay. Now we screw this on. It's being stubborn at the moment. Hope it stops. Okay. Now that washer and the bolt has been attached. So now we attach this brass washer. We attach this iron washer. And we get the handle. And we start screwing. There we go. And the other side. Oh wait. The other side's coming off. Screwing on at the moment. And finished. And tomorrow I will test this out. My dad has Christmas tree upstairs, and it needs removal because my dog keeps eating it, and so we'll be cutting that tree into pieces with this saw right here, so that we can put it into a garbage bag. See you tomorrow. The footage you saw there was of my dad cutting off some branches. I tried to cut the trunk itself, but it had too much tree sap, which stuck to the teeth of the saw, making the blade come off. And so I put it back together, and I'm cutting this piece of sweet gum. It's from this wood is from a tree with these spike balls. Those are where the seeds are. Anyway, I decided to keep dark spots and rust on the saw to keep that antique look. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you want to, and goodbye.